in a sideways market and took a big loss? Relax. It happens to every trader. And yes, you can recover. When you're emotional, the worst thing you can do is keep trading. Step back, take a break. Sideways markets destroy traders who try to force a win. Now look at your losing trades. Did you enter too early? Did you skip the stop loss? Did you get trapped in fake breakouts? Understanding the mistake is your first step to recovery. For the next few days, trade very small, 20 to 30% of your normal size. Small risk protects your capital and your confidence. Sideways markets are full of traps, so wait for clean trends. If the market isn't clear, don't enter. No trade is better than a bad trade. Use a tight stop loss, 1 to 2% risk. It may feel slow, but this is how you recover safely. Remember, losses don't make you a bad trader. Not learning from them does. This is Amber Mansoob, making your trading journey simpler, smarter, and more confident. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.